Peace, blessings, and love, family. This is Elder Rasan Shakur out of the great city of New Orleans, Louisiana, coming to you with another great and informative video. Peace, blessings, and love to all the melanated family and mankind. Family, this video is about my people. This video is about what's going on in this world today. I pray and meditate that we get through this evil journey that we are going through. There's a lot of chaos, there's a lot of evil that's going around the planet right now. There's a lot of genocide, there's a lot of hatred, there's a lot of envy, there's a lot of jealousy, there's a lot of sickness that's going on right now, family. The devil is in control. The devil is on this last stand. This evil entity is on this last stand. And they're ramping it up, and they don't care. They have no love, no compassion for the original man, woman, and child. And in some cases, we don't have no love and compassion for each other, which come from programming and conditioning, slavery, Jim Crow, the Willie Lynch effect. But all we went through, family, we still here. And the veil has been lifted. And a lot of our melanated family are waking up to the reality of who we really are. And the enemy has waken up to the reality who we are. That's why they has cast war on the original family. They're in the laboratories every 24/7, every day of the week, creating all kind of viruses and bacteria in their laboratories to try to eliminate us. But we're still here, and we will be here, and we will be the last one standing against this great evil system of Babylon, the great whore that has went all over the planet and has committed fornication, has committed genocide among or toward the original family, because they know their time is up. Time for evil to go. Time for these reptilians and demons to go. And they will be eliminated. They will be eradicated from this planet, family. That's why we must stay steadfast, meditate and pray. Be loyal and compassionate to each other. We must start unifying. We have no friends, as our great scholar, Dr. John Henry Clark said. That's right. Dr. Chris Welding said, we have no friends. We must unify together and create our own reality. We must come together and educate our own children. We must come together and buy some land and build our own nation of righteousness. Because this nation of so-called United States of America is a very evil system that has done nothing good for the original family. nothing good. So stay steadfast, family. Pray, meditate, and elevate your mind. Be righteous, unified. Teach your children about melanated history. We even should adopt a new language of our own. That's right. And when we are among each other, we speak that language and leave these European language alone. Unless we just have to deal with it in the public. We must educate our children to learn this language, this new language, or adopt an African language. We must get our own identity, not nobody else's identity, not nobody else's heroes, not nobody else's so-called religion or deity. We have our own deities. We have our own creators. Because we are from the universe, we are from the cosmos, we are from all the galaxies. So let's get it together, family. The time is now to love each other. The time is now to come together and unify against this evil entity. Because when you're working numbers, ain't nothing gonna stop us. We'll be just like the honeybee. We'll be just like the little ant, working together and keeping the enemy away and keeping our community safe. That's right, family. But we're gonna cut this video short. That's just my message to the family. Let's wake up and love each other. Let's wake up and care for each other. Let's teach our children our history. Let's teach our children our history. African history, Sumerian history, Ethiopian history, melanated Indian history. Our history, not nobody else's. Peace, blessings, and love to all the melanated family. Although listen at this video, please subscribe, put up the likes and shares. And I love my family, and I'm out.